How to remove ringtone from Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove ringtone from Android. So first thing, just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just tap on this sounds and vibration option. So once you're inside here, just click on this ringtone option. It may be located at different section like right or left of your screen, but in my case it's on center. So just tap on it wherever you have located your ringtone option, and as you can see here I have selected some random theme ringtone for my music for my ringtone. So if you want to completely delete it, you may also get the option by simply long pressing on that particular music or song which you had set it to ringtone. But since as you can see I cannot delete it just like by long pressing it, so in that case I will do is just press on this silent button over here. So as you can see, once I press on it, the ringtone will be completely removed. So you can do the same for sim 2 as well if you have set it off differently, just like this, by simply tapping on the silent, and there will be no longer a ringtone set it for your device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.